morning 10 o'clock onwards, large number of friends from the media, from the journalist field, they have been calling up regarding a video which is getting viral regarding checking of cell phone and other things. So I would like to clarify the issue in this regard. In few cases of grave and sensational crime, when the accused is likely to run away, police checks all the items found at the scene of crime or available with one of the offenders who is caught. At that time, we do not know who are the gang members, who are the accomplices, and that is why from the scene of offense, whatever item is found, it is examined immediately. From the item which are found from the scene of offense, it can be a laptop, it can be a iPad, it can be a cell phone, it can be a hard disk, it can be a pen drive, it can be a camera. Everything is part of digital evidence, and that is why when the police officer reaches a scene of crime, it is his first responsibility not only to examine all the persons who are present there, examination of the witnesses, but also examination of all the items, every piece of evidences which are there has to be examined. Sometimes it so happened that notorious rowdy sheeters, ex-convicts, dangerous criminals, gang members, narco dealers, drug offenders, counterfeit currency offenders, murder accused, and other sensational criminals, they have their partners who are not arrested. So, in order to reach to those absconding criminals, police has to examine whatever is found from the possession of these criminals. Similarly, sometimes frisking is also very important. When a suspected person is there lurking at the night time, whose identity is not known to the police, then it is the responsibility of the police officer to establish the identity. It is mandatory by the Indian law. And in the process, if he finds it suspicious, he can also do frisking. Just 2 months back, there was an incident in North Zone when one person was being questioned by a constable officer, and the mistake which the constable officer did that he did not do the frisking. Immediately the person who turned out to be a criminal, he took out knife from the pocket and he stabbed the constable officer. Therefore, frisking is also very important at night time, particularly at odd hours. When there is any suspicious movement, it is the responsibility of the local police officer, the beat constable, the patrol constable, to inquire about the identity of the suspect and also do frisking if it is required. In this regard, I would request all my colleagues in the media and print world that whether we like it or not, all of us have become student of the biggest university in the world, WhatsApp University. People want to take admission into Harvard, Columbia, Yale, JNU, DU, but a bigger group wants to become always member of the university called WhatsApp University. India has the largest number of students of this WhatsApp University. We have crossed China also in this. But unfortunately, whatever is taught in that university is not correct. When a video is loaded, when a video is morphed, under what context cut and paste is done, all those things, it is impossible to verify immediately. A city as big as Hyderabad, minimum I am saying 50,000 uploads goes into the social media. Is it possible for police to verify each and every upload? Not only it is practically impossible, but also it is a criminal waste of time and energy and government money, because ultimately it is public money. If the entire public money, if we keep wasting in examination of all the uploads, then I think a developing country like India cannot afford to waste that much of money. Just few years back, there was a video in circulation in North India that in one village a baby has been born with 3 eyes, and in no times 20 lakhs and above viewership was there, and then only after few days it was found that it was a morphed video. But imagine in the process how much time is wasted, how much energy is wasted, how much interest of public goes into the negative direction. If the same interest, if the same reading habit students they put into good books and university books, perhaps India will get Nobel Prize. That is why I am requesting everyone not to trust what comes in social media, and it is not necessary also to verify everything, because it is 90% junk, and if you spend your time verifying the junk, you are wasting your time. As far as privacy matter is concerned, citizens, common law abiding citizens, privacy is most important and most sacred. No police officer anywhere in the country has any intention of intruding into that. So there is no question of that. But as far as rowdies, murderers, criminals are concerned, if we find anything in possession, we have to check what is that. It is our prime responsibility. Thank you so much.